My name is Troy Strahan.
I'm Sean McGarry.
My name is Brandon Pella.
We are fresh graduates from the University of West Florida.
We're working on Project Anglerfish as part of the HSU Foundation and our senior capstone project. Project Anglerfish is an advanced remote control submarine.
It's tethered with a 100-meter Ethernet cord, and it's controlled with an Xbox 360 controller. It's connected to a laptop, so we can overlay video and sensor data, environmental data.
Drones being a forefront of technology today, we decided to look at remote control submarines. Submarines allow us to reach inaccessible and dangerous areas. The problem is that most of the commercially available projects are extremely expensive, complex, and very large.
A challenge we had was acquiring funding. That was a big thing. We knew that this could take a lot of capital. We had an opportunity to work with the HSU Foundation. We love the company. They do a lot of outreach for the STEM field, and we are just very interested in that.
We decided to design something that was a cost-effective, small, and simple solution that could be easily deployable for educators, researchers, industries who are looking at observing bridges, pipes, boats, and other stuff that could be in dangerous areas.
We just got done presenting to a couple of professionals in the engineering field, and I felt like this was an excellent opportunity for us to really show our idea and show how far we've come from an original concept and show all the hard work that we put in.
I think we were able to really effectively gauge from them how they see the project, how it could be useful for them. It allowed us as individuals not only just practice presenting, but also better understand our project.
I think most of the technical things that I learned I'll take throughout my entire career as a professional. I learned a lot about working with a team and how to properly communicate things. Learning how to navigate within a team, definitely something I learned.
One of the hardest challenges with this project is there was nothing to base this project off of, so we had to build every element ourselves as well as test it.
So as a team, we've decided to upload all of our documentation to GitHub. This is an open source platform which allows people interested in the STEM field to be able to replicate this project or even make it their own. STEM is a very important thing for any ages to learn about because it's the advancement of technology. And the HSU Foundation also did a great job at providing STEM opportunities for younger kids and high schoolers. And I thought that was really an amazing thing that they're doing over there by inspiring these people at a younger age, which when I was in their shoes, I never really did anything like that. And I thought it was an awesome experience just to serve as an ambassador and a mentor.